Welcome back, everybody. The Austin heat has definitely set in, and food content creator Taryn Elise is joining us with an easy and delicious grilling recipe or two to share today. Taryn, good morning.
Good morning. Thank you guys for having me.
Thank you for being here. Talk to us about being a food content creator. How did you get into this?
Just about like a year ago, I started posting what I was making me and my husband for dinner every night, and I never would have imagined it would even be what it is today, but I love sharing recipes and bringing people together through food. It feels really cool.
That's amazing. And so it was literally just what you guys were making for dinner at home.
Yes, like my whole thing, like slogan is tonight for dinner I'm making so-and-so. And it just...
And you must be an amazing cook, girl. Good
Thank
for
you.
you.
Thank you.
And I hear that you're inspired by your mama.
Yes, I would be in the kitchen with her cooking, even if it was just stirring the chicken and dumplings or something. But every night for dinner, I would send her what I was making. Well, after she passed away, I wanted to continue sharing it with somebody. I needed a little outlet, and so I started posting on TikTok and grew this amazing community.
Amazing, and here we are today.
I know.
What would you say about the style of food that you create?
Oh, I love everything. I love comfort food. I love making dishes from, like trying to make dishes from different cultures. I love Indian food, Asian food.
Yum.
I'm everywhere with it.
But you're also an East Texas girl, so there's a lot of Texas cooking in there.
Oh yeah, I love comfort food, honestly. Fried chicken, macaroni.
I love it. Okay, any grilling tips for folks this summer?
Okay, I used to check the grill every 5 seconds to see what it's doing in there, but my biggest tip is leave it alone, let the grill do the work. Getting a nice char is good, don't be afraid of that. Start with something easy. It doesn't have to be intimidating, and I always want to encourage more women to get on the grill.
Girl, because you're talking to me right now, I am afraid of the grill.
I know, the flames and stuff, it can be a little intimidating, but I don't know, the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it.
Okay, so don't be afraid to let things be a little bit patient in there.
Yes, that's my problem, is I love to check every 5 seconds.
And of course, we're letting the heat out of the grill the
every
moment
time.
we do that.
Yeah.
Feels like it's hot enough outside to be grilling like the food anyway, but gotta keep it 450 or whatever.
Yes, I love grilling outside because it keeps my kitchen a little more clean and the smell stays outside.
And the smell stays outside, especially if we're really playing with flavors during the summer. Okay, so something that is really cool is that you've teamed up with the hot sauce brand Texas Pete.
Yes.
And they put you into a competition.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about that.
So me and 5 other girls are entering this Girls Who Grill competition, and I guess the community votes and sees which one is their favorite.
Okay, so we've got some Texas Pete sauce.
Yes.
What do you think about using the Texas Pete sauce? What do you use it in?
Oh, I could use it in anything. I used it throughout the whole recipe, actually. I used it in the buffalo chicken popper filling. I used it in the crema for the elote, and I even use it in the ranch that I drizzle on the jalapeños. So I use it throughout the whole recipe.
Texas Pete's, it can be used all over the place.
Yes.
Okay, so talk to me about your jalapeno, chicken jalapeno grilled buffalo poppers.
Yes.
This is it's a lot of words.
It's a mouthful.
But they sound absolutely delicious, and you've got them here.
Yes. So I started with seasoning some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I love using chicken thighs because they're kind of more forgiving on the grill. Chicken breast can kind of dry out.
And I was going to say they've got more moisture.
Yes, so if you leave them on a little too long, they're a little forgiving. But then I shredded it up using my stand mixer, or you can use 2 forks, whatever works. Then mixed it with some jalapeno cream cheese, cheddar, and chives. And then the Texas Pete Habanero buffalo sauce.
Wow, okay.
And if you don't like too much spice, you can use Texas Pete mild or just use less, because I like spicy, so I like loaded up.
I was going to say, I'm not upset about spicy myself. It's supposed to help cool you down in the summer heat, right? It helps get those sweat glands going. But then you stick them in a popper, and then do those poppers go on a grill?
Yes, I put the poppers on the grill. I assemble everything, put them on the grill in indirect heat for 5 to 8 minutes until they're nice and melty. And then you're good to go. Oh, I drizzle the buffalo ranch and some green onions. I love a good garnish.
A good garnish.
Yeah.
And nothing wrong with this as far as a recipe. It doesn't sound all that difficult.
No, it might look like I put a lot of work into it, but honestly, it's really approachable, super easy.
Can we find your recipe online?
Yes, at Taryn Elise. It's on TikTok and Instagram.
Okay, good deal.
3
and
E's.
what we're going, 3 E's.
Yes,
Taryn
Elise.
Yeah. Yes, there we go. And we want to talk about the elote that you brought today as well. You were going to finish some of that off for us. So you've grilled this corn. About how long did you grill it for?
I did it in the husk for like 18 minutes, just turning every so often, and then I tied the husk back so you can have a little handle.
It actually looks really nice.
I know, it's kind of cute, honestly, but then got some good grill marks. Then we'll just take the crema. I mix the crema with some lime juice and Texas Pete. Might get a little messy here.
That's okay. That's the way elote is supposed to be, right?
Slather it on.
And you know, with a spoon, it goes on pretty easily, all things considered.
And then just using the back of the spoon.
I've always heard mayonnaise. Are we not doing mayonnaise?
Oh, yes. Actually, a little mayonnaise is in there.
Okay,
Thank you for reminding me.
I was going to say, that's what I know elote as.
Yes.
But then, okay, we go to the cheese. And what kind of cheese are we using?
Cotija.
Cotija cheese.
It's really good. It's like a funkier cheese.
Got a little, it's not exactly like blue cheese, is it? But it's got a little bit more of a funky taste. Yeah. Okay.
I would say. And then
drizzle all over?
Yes. I made some elote seasoning myself. It's just a bunch of seasonings that I like going in there.
Okay. Can you give us any idea? I know you probably don't want to spill all your juicy secrets.
It's like garlic powder and smoked paprika. Hate to see me coming. Honestly, I love some people that know me know I love seasoning, but then it's just some chili powder, even Parmesan is in here, some sugar.
Oh, sugar is an interesting addition.
Yes,
yeah.
it kind of balances out really good.
Okay, and then you just sprinkle it all up, stick it in a nice casserole dish like this, and people are ready to eat. I think that looks amazing. Okay, so where can we catch up with you and find more about your recipes?
My TikTok is Taryn Elise, and Instagram. I post on both, but TikTok is the one that kind of blew up. Yeah, I don't like saying that, but I'm like, it kind of did.
I'm going to cross my fingers for you, too, in this Texas Pete's Championship Challenge that you're in right now.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
We appreciate your time today.
Thank you, guys.
All right, for more recipes and cooking tips from Taryn, follow her on social media at Taryn.Elise.